today I'm going to be showing you how to make Izzy's Super Mega Fluff Slime. So let's get into it. What you will need is some PVA glue, some Gillette shaving foam, or just any shaving foam you can find, baby powder or talc. I'm using some body lotion and some foaming bath. I'm using this weird spatula, it's the only one I can find. Some borax, baby oil, some air freshener for scent, okay, so the first thing you want to do is you want to put in your PVA glue. I'm using Asda's own brand PVA glue. It's a really thick glue, so that's why I'm using it. It's one of my favourites. Okay, so now I've put in my glue, I'm going to put in my shaving foam. Series 3 is extra fluffy, I have to say, and also they do a shaving gel and a shaving foam, but I thought that the shaving foam was better because you have to kind of mix the shaving gel to get the fluffy foam, but it does inflate your slime if you do use shaving gel, so just a pointer about that. Now I'm going in with my body lotion. It doesn't look like body lotion, but it's so nice. It's a lavender colour and it's lavender scented, so this slime's very scented. I put in a lid full of the, I think it was, yes, the foaming bath wash. I put in 2 lids full, sorry, and yeah, and that was actually quite a lot. And then I mixed that in. Okay, so now I'm just getting my baby powder and I'm putting in approximately about a tablespoon and a half in there. I'm just eyeballing it, but I reckon it's a tablespoon and a half, and mixing that in. If you don't have baby powder at home, you can try cornstarch, but in England you can find baby powder more than cornstarch, so that's why I'm using baby powder. Okay, so now I'm going in with my baby oil, and I used all my massage oil, so that's why I'm using my baby oil. I love baby oil when putting it in slime, it's the best. Now I'm just going in with some of my Febreze air freshener. I'm using the scent Fresh, and if you can't get a hold of scents, definitely try air freshener. It's really strong, just like scents, and you can get a lot of fresh scents to go in your slimes. Activation process, start. I'll be right back. Okay, I've just put in some food colouring or paint because I didn't really like it white. I want it to be a pastel blue, so I didn't put in much. If you can hear the slime sounds in the background on the voiceover, that's the slime that I've made in this video.
Hey guys, it's Iggy. So I've just finished a slime. Well, not just finished, it's a day since I made the slime. I just added a tiny bit more paint and it's still super duper fluffy. It's pretty big as well, I have to say. It's very light as well. It's very light, and also its pokes are really incredibly clicky, even on the thinnest bit of slime. Look. So cool. And you might be wondering why you don't see my face in the videos. I just don't like people see my face when I make slime. But when I'm playing with it, that's fine. But yeah. It's so cool. It kind of does stick a bit, but if you did make this at home, then obviously you can make it as thick as you want or as stiff as you want it, but don't put in too much activator because it can make it as thick as a rock. Like for instance, if I go and get this foam slime I made, I know it's a foam slime, but I put too much activator in it. So I put in all the foam beads and it was fine, but it was really sticky. Got a bit of slime on the camera. And it was really sticky. So I put in more activator and it's gone as hard as a rock. Look, my fingers, the sounds are nice, but yeah, it's kind of annoying. Look, it's like a solid rock. It's a solid rock, guys, look. Oh my god. All the foam beads come out, and I don't think it's a very good slime myself. I'm not particularly in love with it. Like, it's so hard to play with. It's actually horrific. But yeah, that's why you don't put a ton of activator in your slime, kids. I'm a kid, so that's a message to myself. But yeah, so don't make it as hard as this slime. That's what I'm about to throw away. And yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed. Subscribe to my channel and like if you do make the slimes that I make on my tutorials, and comment down below if you want me to make any specific slimes and if I'm doing well in editing my videos and if I could do something better or could I change something. So thank you guys so much for watching. Bye guys!